Hello, viewers. Our meal today will be plantain porridge. This is the tomatoes that we're going to use. We're going to use tomatoes, bell pepper, onions, and that was the one that was in the. We put it in the blender to be blended, and then we have our protein. Here is meat, beef meat. You can use any protein that you like. So we're going to bringing it to boil. You let it cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes before you start adding the ingredients. So that is the grounded tomatoes, onions, bell pepper, green bell pepper. You can use the red one, but I like the aroma of the green bell pepper. And then we'll leave it again to simmer, to cook out, to boil out. Then the next, we now add we cover it, and we now add palm oil. Palm oil is good. Plantain is very good for the body. It's good for diabetic in portion control, because plantain has potassium that helps with the gradients in the muscles. So it helps with blood flow. Then this we're putting the unripe plantain first. I like both ripe and unripe. The ripe one is to kind of give it a sweet taste. Here, but we just put the unripe, and then now the next thing is ground pepper, cayenne pepper. So we're leaving it to continue to boil, and we'll continue to add other ingredients. Here we add in some spices, cumin, spice, to give it a sweet, good aroma. And as you can see, it's boiling now. We're putting the unripe plantain first, because it's harder than the ripe one. The ripe one, you don't need to cook it for long. So, and then we add in cinnamon. Cinnamon is very good for the body as well. Putting about half a teaspoon of cinnamon. The ground pepper, cayenne pepper, we put a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So we're leaving it to boil out. It's very easy recipe. Not hard at all. Then we're adding the crayfish, ground crayfish. We're adding 3 tablespoonfuls of ground crayfish here. And then that's the third one now we're adding. Yeah, that's the third one. And we cover it up. It continues to boil and cook. Then the next, after we put in macro fish, just to give it more taste. A microfish, these are protein, has omega-3 in the microfish. It has this oily omega-3 in it, and you see it's thickening up now. It's thickening. You stir it real good, testing whether the plantain is already getting soft. And then we leave it for a while to simmer. Now this is the ripe plantain that we are adding, and since we've added this, it's not going to be too long on fire on the stove. So we added the ripe plantain, not too ripe, but it's already yellowish. So, and then we cover. At this point, some people boil beans and add with this, but I'm just making a plain plantain porridge. We cover it to simmer for another few minutes, and this is already washed frozen leaves, and we'll leave it to just cook. At this point, you see now that it's already cooked. You can put any type of leaf that you like. You can put uziza, you can put some people put bitter leaf, but this one we put now is spinach. I love spinach. So, and that is all about the porridge. Of course, we're going to add our bouillon, Maggi cube, and if you see, it's already thickened. We'll add our salt to taste. If you first taste it, if it doesn't have enough, and you now add a little bit more salt. This is sea salt I'm adding, and you stir, and that is it. Our porridge is ready, and it's so yummy, ready to be served. Ready to be served. You leave it to simmer, and it's ready. Very easy, and that is it. Wow, it's so yummy, yummy, yummy. That is it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. God bless you. Bye bye.